As the financial landscape evolves, mastering your money in 2025 requires staying informed and proactive. From new technology trends to timeless budgeting principles, here's your ultimate guide to managing your finances effectively this year. 1. Set clear financial goals. Success starts with a plan. Short-term goals. Save for emergencies or a vacation. Long-term goals. Build a retirement fund or save for a home. Tip. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to set actionable goals. 2. Embrace digital tools. Leverage technology to simplify financial management. Budgeting apps. Try apps like YNAB, Mint, or PocketGuard to track spending. Investment platforms. Use tools like Robinhood, Wealthfront, or Betterment for hands-off investing. Cryptocurrency wallets. If you're into digital assets, explore secure wallets like Ledger or MetaMask. 3. Build an emergency fund. Prepare for unexpected expenses to avoid debt. How much to save? Aim for 3-6 months worth of living expenses. Automate it. Set up a recurring transfer to a high-yield savings account. Why it matters. Provides peace of mind and financial security. 4. Optimize your budget. Take control of your cash flow. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt. Track and cut expenses. Regularly review subscriptions and discretionary spending. Use cashback programs. Leverage rewards cards and apps like Rakuten. 5. Invest strategically. Make your money grow with smart investments. Index funds. A low-risk way to diversify your portfolio. Real estate. Explore REITs or consider house hacking for minimal upfront costs. Cryptocurrency. Approach with caution. Diversify and only invest what you can afford to lose. 6. Pay down debt efficiently. Debt reduction is crucial for financial freedom. Avalanche method. Focus on high-interest debt first to minimize costs. Snowball method. Pay off smaller debts first for psychological wins. Refinance loans. Consider consolidating to lower interest rates. 7. Boost your income streams. Diversify your earnings to increase financial stability. Side hustles. Freelancing, consulting, or selling online can bring in extra income. Passive income. Invest in rental properties, REITs, or dividend stocks. Upskilling. Learn in-demand skills to qualify for higher-paying jobs. 8. Plan for retirement early. Start building your nest egg today. 401k contributions. Max out employer-matched accounts. IRAs. Consider Roth or traditional IRAs for additional tax advantages. Start now. Compound interest is most powerful the earlier you begin. 9. Protect your wealth. Safeguard your assets against unexpected risks. Insurance. Ensure adequate coverage for health, life, and property. Estate planning. Create a will and consider trusts to secure your legacy. Cybersecurity. Protect financial accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. 10. Stay informed. Keep up with financial trends and adapt accordingly. Monitor markets. Stay aware of economic shifts affecting investments. Educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take courses on personal finance. Network. Learn from mentors and like-minded individuals in your community. Mastering your money in 2025 is about blending timeless financial principles with modern tools and strategies. By staying disciplined, informed, and adaptable, you can build a secure financial future, achieve your goals, and enjoy peace of mind.